share with you 4 things you need to know before joining eXp. Hi, my name is Micah Maruwat. I joined eXp in October of 2014. I'm a real estate agent just like you, licensed in the state of Oklahoma and Florida. And during this time, my husband and I have assisted in attracting over 1,200 agents to our organization, spanning over 31 states and 5 countries. And in speaking with thousands of real estate agents, we've really boiled it down to 4 reasons why agents join eXp. Number 1 is going to be technology. So being that eXp is a cloud-based brokerage, we really pride ourselves on technology. And that all starts with Verbella, which is our 3D cloud immersive office. Imagine being able to log in from the comfort of your own home or a coffee shop or really anywhere that you have an internet connection and being able to tap into eXp's full-time staff, anything from broker support to the IT tech support team to accounting to transactions, you name it, it's all in the eXp world. If you need to meet with your brokers, you just go directly into your state or country room. You can meet with your broker staff there. You can take local compliance training. And so the world really is at your fingertips almost 24/7. Then we have SkySlope, which is our transaction management system. In talking with top producers, it's really important to have a streamlined process in really being able to funnel your transactions and also, more importantly, get paid. And so eXp has a color-coded checklist through SkySlope where you upload your documents. Our brokers are reviewing everything for compliance, and depending on your area and your state, you can actually get paid at closing. It's a very streamlined process. We have eXp Enterprise, which is a proprietary system. It's the back-end system. Everything is all tied in together, again, to make our real estate agents more efficient. And last but not least, we have KV Core, which is our lead generation program. Not only are you going to get a website, it's not going to be just a landing page. It's going to be a full-blown website with a CRM on the back end, CRM for a client's relations management system. This is going to house all of your leads, anything from past clients to new clients, where you can literally set up all of your leads on a custom drip campaign where the system will text and email on your behalf, helping you increase your conversion rates and hopefully not let those leads slip through the cracks. You can also be extremely targeted in your marketing. So anything from landing pages to squeeze pages, you can really target your market into zip code advertising and neighborhood advertising and certain price points. So KV Core allows you to do a ton. You can generate a lot of free leads using Facebook and Craigslist, but you can also do some paid advertising through KV Core to help bump up your leads. Number 2 is going to be our world-class training. So being a virtual cloud campus with agents nationwide and on a global scale, we're really able to take and attend the best of the best training. If you look at our calendar here, anywhere from 50 hours a week to 80 hours a week. I've seen over 20, 25 classes a day, ranging from an icon series where the best, the top 1% in the industry are giving back and teaching classes in the world to help you sell more homes and become more successful. And really it goes to number 3, which is going to be ownership. So eXp is a borderless brokerage and it's not a franchise. It allows all of eXp agents different ways to acquire stock in the company. And this really is what I attribute one of the main factors of why eXp's got such a deep culture and amount of collaboration is because when you make all of your real estate agents owners of the company, we want to share our best practices. We're not there to be in competition with one another. So for example, I mentioned our icon agents. These are agents that reach a certain production level within eXp. They can get their cap back in stock. And then they have cultural requirements where they're giving back their best practices and teaching classes in the eXp world. So the different ways that you can acquire stock in eXp, number 1 is going to be after your first transaction with eXp. That's where our goal is. Every single real estate agent has the opportunity to become a shareholder in the company. Number 2 is every single year that you cap for the year. Number 3, for every agent that you directly sponsor into the company, you can acquire stock after their first transaction. And then number 4, you can become an icon agent. If you cap with eXp and reach a certain other production level, you can actually get your cap back in stock. We also have an optional agent equity program where if you want to give 5% of your commission, eXp will actually buy back stock for you at a 10% discount. Now, please note that some of these do have a 3-year vest, so definitely get with the person who introduced you to this video for more information. And last but not least, number 4 is going to be revenue share expansion. So, in speaking with a lot of brokers, broker owners, team leaders, they want to find out different ways to help agents produce more and create leveraged income, right? How we want to get off that transaction treadmill where we're going after buyer and seller, which is great. But what happens every time you close is you become unemployed and you got to start the process all over again. So, the only way to get off that transaction treadmill is to create leveraged income. And how you do that is through eXp revenue share. So, being a borderless brokerage, eXp allows us to expand in all the markets that eXp is open, which right now is all 50 US states and 18 countries. So, if you know real estate agents in other markets, friends, family, coworkers, and you introduced them to the company, you're going to get compensated. It's compensation for contribution. So eXp is going to pay you a percentage in revenue share. They divvy out 50% of the revenues back to the agents, and it doesn't cost the agents anything. So how this works, if you personally introduce an agent to the company, you're going to get paid 3.5% on their gross commission up until they cap every year. So if they're a capper, we can say that you'll get paid up to $2,800 a year. Now, here's where it compounds. This is where the magic happens, is not only do you get paid on agents that you personally introduce to the company, but also agents that they bring on, so on and so forth. It goes 7 generations deep, but it's unlimited on how many agents you can personally introduce to the company. So if I bring my friend Ashley and she brings Bob, Bob is going to be in my tier 2 and Ashley will be in my tier 1, but Bob will be in Ashley's tier 1. So I would make up to $2,800 a year off of Ashley and then up to $3,200 a year off of Bob. So let me just show you how, for simple numbers, and of course, this is not an income claim, results will vary, but how you can make up to $94,000 a year outside of your real estate commissions. If you just bring on 5 agent friends to eXp and they're all producing agents, and then you help those agents, those 5 agents bring on 5 agents each. So that's 5 in tier 1 and 25 in tier 2. That's up to $94,000 a year in leveraged income. Can you imagine the sales and how you can increase your production by helping boost your marketing budget by getting this leveraged income? And so again, just to recap, there's 4 things you need to know before joining eXp. We've got the best of the best technology in the industry. The second is a world-class training where you have access to the best trainers in the entire world. Number 3 is stock. You're going to become a shareholder in the company, different ways to acquire stock in the company. Look us up. The ticker symbol is EXPI. And number 4 is leveraged income through the revenue share expansion. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have more questions, please get back with the person who introduced you to this video.